No, seriously. I
what's
think
the communist party doing? Like
nothing. That's the point.
They're not clapping because they're upset at loud clapping. Like I don't know.
Personal privilege.
Yes.
Guys, first of all, James Jackson, Sacramento, he, him. I just want to say, can we please keep the chatter to a minimum? I'm one of the people who's very, very prone to sensory overload. There's a lot of whispering and chatter going on. It's making it very difficult for me to focus. Please, can we just, I know we're all fresh and ready to go, but can we please just keep the chatter to a minimum? It's affecting my ability to focus. Thank you.
Thank you, comrade.
They want
Because he
the
could
communist
be clever.
revolution, but for some reason they just have a hard time with loud sounds. Like, like bro, that's so cringe.